Welcome to Utsav Institute. Become Maharashtra government as well as Ministry of Ayush certified yoga therapist. In this course, we will cover detailed anatomy and physiology of all the systems. More than 100 diseases will be covered, including their clinical examinations, reports, and parameters. This course covers therapeutic use of 15 different props such as chairs, bolsters, ropes, belts, bricks, etc. Learn to make personalized, patient centric modifications in asana, pranayam, mudra, bandh, meditation, shuddhi kriya, and the relaxation techniques. Our faculties include yoga therapists who are master's degree, PhDs in yoga, medical doctors, psychologists, physiotherapists, even dietitians. Learn effective communication and teaching skills for working with clients and healthcare professionals.
This is internationally recognized certification, which is offline as well as online. So you can do this from any part of the world. Our institute has trained professionals from countries like Dubai, Japan, Australia, Singapore, Netherlands, USA, along with India. After completing this certification from our institute, our students are working at hospitals with medical professionals. They have opened their own therapy centers and catering to the client across the globe. If you are passionate about yoga, if you are a yoga teacher, psychologist, physiotherapist, dietitian, occupational therapist, upgrade your knowledge, become a yoga therapist. For this, connect with us. Details are mentioned in description.
I'm a Dr. Deepak Sheth by profession. I'm a medical professional practicing since 32 years. Being a doctor, what I found, unka anatomy, physiology, application of the yoga, applied anatomy in the yoga, जो medical yoga का जो medical part है, he make the subject such a simplified कि non medical को भी एकदम easily एकदम समझ में आ जाता है. And I realized the how yoga can applicable to the many of the disease, which I was not aware being at the in my medical profession also. Still, I remember 12, 13 years back when I joined the yoga, I was thinking कि हाँ या यम नियम आसन तो मालूम है और क्या अभी योग में सीखने का है. लेकिन आफ्टर completing the 13, 15 years and under the Dr. Devansha and Ustav Institute, today, today I realized that I didn't know anything about the yoga. I am looking forward the very bright future with the very good health, provided you should be under a proper guidance. So thanks to Devang sir and Utsav Institute.
Namaste, I'm Deepa Tukral. It has been a wonderful experience, a very, very enriching experience learning from Devang sir and Forum ma'am and various other faculty teachers. I have learned a lot about how our body, our systems work anatomically, about our deep, rich scriptures and heritage, and also how all of these yogic techniques can be implemented for our best health from therapy point of view. So this is a wonderful course. I can assure everybody who's looking forward to learning from this institute, from these teachers, it will enrich your life, your learning, your understanding, and your teaching skills to a level higher.